Hi. Lucky. Ukay. Nabaliw ka ba? Ang galing mo. Oh my God, I have so many money. Good morning.
Like a tourist guide?
Oh, tourist guide?
Yeah.
Oh, I not guide, yeah.
Ah,
I'm sorry,
okay.
because I don't have a certificate.
You have
But
to.
it's, yeah.
Okay.
Where you go?
We're planning to go to the Pandawa Stone Walls after the Sunday Speech Club.
Oh, we's going to Pandawa beach, and then after to Sundays.
Yeah.
Sundays beach.
Can we do that?
I can pick up for you, or your order for the Grab.
Okay.
Because area at Pandawa is area for local driver, yeah, not Grab online taxi, not coming to Pandawa beach. Only local driver.
Oh, okay.
So many expensive, madam, for the.
It's
local
really
driver.
expensive.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh, not
Maganda at pogi.
Maganda pogi.
Kami maganda at pogi.
Ay! Ay, terima kasih.
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? How are you?
What's up, agabar?
saya Nicolette.
Oh, same. Nama saya same.
Masaya si
Nama
Nicolette.
saya, what's nama saya?
Nama saya. My name is. Yes.
Oh, my God! It's right turn here. Ano, 65,000 rupiah nila. 227 pesos lang. Apat na tayo sa Grab.
Mura.
Yes, sobrang mura.
Mura.
Yeah, mura. It's very cheap.
Mura din tawag nila.
Sa mura is cheap as well.
Yeah. Same.
Yeah.
Mahal is
It's same.
Mura.
So mahal is expensive
Mahal
here?
expensive.
Yeah, it's very the same with us. Hi. We don't have reservation. How can we secure?
Down there for the ticket. Yeah.
Okay.
At Watu and the second at Sunday's Beach Club.
La Sunday's Beach
Sunday's
Club.
Beach Club, let's go down there.
Okay, thank you. Wow, so nice.
Mapalipad ang drone dito. Kaya mamaya na lang. Babalik naman tayo eh. Ganda. Pwede tayo mag-swimming dyan?
Yeah. Sunday's Club.
I would like to inform you for the inclinator still maintenance. We only have stairs to going down and then up. It's about 350 steps.
Oh my God.
And if you want to swimming, you just leave it your stuff at the table that you can swim.
Ah, okay. Okay.
But you just need to wait at the restaurant for the beanbag.
Okay. Thank you.
For people, it will be 2 million. Consume 2 million for food and beverage.
Okay.
And for the Sundays, just go straight, take on the rice.
Okay.
Thank you so much. 350 steps daw to.
Ano?
350 steps.
Pag nakakagulong ka.
Oh my God. Ang ganda dito. Morning. Yeah, Sunday.
Check your receipt, please.
Okay. Wow. Ala, ang ganda. Grabe, palapit ng palapit. Naririnig ko yung dagat. Oo. Hey! Oh my God!
Baliw-baliw ka ba?
Ala, baka merong menki-menki dito
Ay.
ah.
Menki, Menki! Meron ka kasama Menki!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ala, grabe. Ang ganda nga. Ala, ang ganda, be. Ang ganda. Welcome to Sundays. Love. Hello. Welcome to Sundays. Oh my God, this is so nice.
At the beach, that's still full right now.
Oh. Say hi. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. Let's try this one. Lobster rolls. It's really good. Ay, yung mga ketchup-ketchup. Ang laki ng beach nila. Ba't sa beach? Pinaliliputan nga. Kasi, oo nga. Kaya nga sabi ko, masyado nilang pinipreserve lahat. Ayan. Eh sabi niyo, MOA nga lang, ginagawa na namang hotel. Yung dagat dun. Diyos ko, yun na nga lang yung nakikita mong beach doon. Nakita niyo sa eh kung ganyan lang lagi nilang ginagawa. Wala.
Ganyan yung para sailing, oh.
Ayun na nga. Tara na. Para siling tayo. Ay, hindi pa tayo ngayon. Nakaschedule tayo ng ano. Diba yung iba kasi nagaganyan. Ayun kasi.
I can what? Sorry?
Where? Yung baba lang wala. $180.
Kaya tinatanong mo, bakit ang dami, ano no, kulit?
180.
Haba.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ano 180? We have reservation sa Talian. Alin po yung reservation?
Chrysostomos.
Eunice Cosasta.
Yeah.
Actually, you're booking here at 10 a.m.
Not 11 a.m.
Sorry. 1 second. Am I Eunice, right?
Yeah.
So you're booking at 11 a.m.
Yeah.
for 4 person.
Yeah.
Which is minimum spend per person is 700,000. Includes 600 food and drink, 100 entrance ticket.
Okay, so for 4, that's
2.8.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we have promotion today, buy 2 get 1 free.
Oh.
So you just pay for 3 person.
Okay. Wow.
And then our menu down there a la carte, excluding 21% of tax
But
and
even the
service charge.
one free has also 600,000
Credit?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you get only 2 million. You get only 1,800,000 for all you spend food and
Okay,
drink.
that's okay. We can pay for the remaining if we have balance.
Yes.
We're here.
Here?
Ang lalim dito pala, Cook. Dito tayo dyan. Yung ano ka na nga sa glass, tapos ano wow, gelato. Oh, ito ba yun? Picture mo ako.
Wala sila dyan. Come on na, come on. Hello.
Hey, taste guys. Let's try this one. You have to try this one because it's only me.
Kita naman, chichichi.
Chichichi!
Yung ginagano mo sa ilong.
Hi! We're now here at the Icon Valley. So first thing first, nasa Adidas tayo today. Yeah. Be my baby. Ano ba yun? Kumakain ba sila o ano?
Hindi ba model sila?
Parang ikaw din, di ba?
Both sushi inside? Okay.
Sashimi, Buntan, Nonigiri, you order with me on the separate.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a look first, yeah?
Not
Yeah.
yet.
Aburi. May aburi ba dyan?
Meron daw lahat dito.
Ano din siya niya?
Ito the exit.
You want for me? Sure, Kobe.
Magkakati tayo. Bali na kailan na tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na.
Wasabi, oh. Sarap? Uy, masarap nga daw.
Ano yan?
Ay, pero tayo angaw.
Salmon na may beef sa ibabaw.
Ano to?
Sarap nga. Sarap, oh.
Stop. Basta yung plate nyo sa inyo, yung plate namin sa amin. Oo, sige. Doon na lang tayo magbasayan muna.
Sarap nga.
Kasi, alam mo naman si Manay, matakaw. Paborito niya yan.
Para lang aburi. Tama ako na naman.
Sarap.
Sarap nga. Magustuhan ni Kukay ito, te, promise. Ayun na, may shield, oh.
Yes, yun. Ano yan?
Dahil ko na nakain.
Sarap. Sarap lang.
Ano ba yung crabstick gusto mo? Aburi yan.
Sabi ko, konti-konti lang tayo, eh. Ito sa anong wasabi, oh.
Bagal nga ako. Dami ko na nakain.
Order nga, pwede man.
Order na nga tayo dyan. Kumakita yung dito ko.
Ang tuyo pa.
Gusto ko yung may cheese.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
Kung kailan naman nagbiro ka, ako feeling ko lala. Let's try it.
Me too. Ooh, baka maulog.
So good.
Tanalo.
Pahap ko, kaya naman. Nagugustuhan nyo. Masarap na kaya naman.
Sarap. Angang.
Red chocolate pistachio. And the Kinder Bueno. Which one is the other one again?
Rocher.
Then Rocher. I really like gelato. Thank you so much.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Thank you. So happy?
So happy. Thank you, my love. Kanya nakakatuwa. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't. Sarap mo na. Thank you.
Saan na tayo?
Doon na tayo. Punta tayo
Doon ka
lote.
tayo?
Lote. Ayan na. Halika na, halika na. Basta na lang pina... Oh, diba? Ate, puro kainan. Oh, ang laki. Para SNR. Wow! Lotte Mart. Lotte Mart here in Bali. That's a wholesale mart. It's like a grocery store, parang SNR or Landersan. Yeah, I want a day. I want a day. Spicy. Can you buy me?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, mochi! Wow, ang cute! Daifuku mochi, and they also have salted caramel. Ah! Ganito yun natin ah. Ganito na lang kayo sticker natin. Oh my god. Ganito na lagyan na natin, B. Ganyan pala mag-tip. Yeah. Yeah. Mag-take a picture tayo.
Akin na strawberry nila.
Ano masarap dito?
Ewan ko. Bakla naman yung girl.
Kita ako sa video dun.
Wala kanin?
Wala.
Pagkain na ko ay.
Gusto mo konti?
Ang laman? Ang laman chicken na konti.
Paano ako? Masarap.
Yung sausage na lang. Ba't kayo ito kasama sa kanila? Ang pandisan nila ito.
Yes na.
Ba't wala kang glasses, te?
Sa kote.
Ang ko sa nga. You don't have butter?
May butter ka ba?
Wow! Hinahanap ko to kanina. Hash brown. Meron nga.
Halo, halo.
Halo, halo! Welcome to Ubud.
Ubud.
Terima kasih.
I like Filipino.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I have many customer from Philippines.
Yeah. So now we are your customer.
With artists.
Oh.
Kylie Persosa.
Wow.
With son of president from.
So can you be our tour
From
guide today?
Do you know Sandro Marcos?
Yeah.
Yes, with me for this.
Oh.
But my English.
Very bad.
But I am a good rapper.
It's okay.
I have boss from Boracay.
Wow. You have boss there?
From Boracay.
Mm.
And friend
sunroof.
So can you tour us around here also?
Yes, of course.
Because we are also artists.
Hindi naniniwala sa'yo.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing, my friend?
Is Barbie.
Oh really?
Yeah. You don't know me, sir?
I don't know.
Barbie to baba.
Why are you laughing, sir?
We're going to
Well,
we're going to eat first, and then we're going to the coffee plantation,
yes.
and then we're planning to do the
Tegalalang rice terrace,
terraces.
yes.
Yeah. And if time permits, maybe go to ano ba maganda? Yung happy
Ito yung fold na pupuntahan natin. Gusto ko yan.
happy ano? Happy swing.
I presume yes.
Uy, kulit. Ang gaganda ng
And then
coffee shop
Monkey
dito.
Forest.
Yung
Okay.
fold, puntahan
I'm
natin.
ready.
Would that be how much?
sir?
The
Same
package.
price with Grab. After you check in Grab, how much for the?
Okay.
Ah, okay.
You can check for the for 4 hours,
You can't
6
give up.
hours, 8 hours maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Same
is it
price.
okay?
I'm fire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But after when you finish, you WhatsApp, text me,
Ah, okay.
I come.
Okay.
It's good.
Yes.
Filipino.
Filipino! Laban!
Maganda. Maganda.
Maganda.
In Canggu.
Chango.
Yeah.
Party in Chango.
Yes, number 1 party in Canggu.
Is it nice in Canggu?
Is it very
Yes.
near here?
For young tourists, yes. Number 1 Canggu.
We are young tourists, sir. But
We don't want party.
we don't want party. Eating and eating.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Ubud.
Oh. So, what will you recommend to us for dinner?
For dinner,
Yeah.
maybe you can check in the YouTube, maybe in the Google.
I thought you were in Ubud, sir.
Bebek Johnny. Bebek Johnny.
Bebek Johnny?
Yes.
Ah, I know that, sir. How about the Sayan?
Sayan House, sir.
Oh, saya. Oh, good. Sayan
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
Oh,
we will
good,
go
good.
there, sir,
Sayan
okay?
good. Yes,
we
Sayan
will go
good.
there for dinner.
Ay, dun
Yeah.
tayo magdi-dinner pa naman.
Yeah,
Okay.
naka-reserve ako.
So, hindi tayo mag-fold. Hindi na tayo abot.
Coffee.
Oo nga.
Gabi, pwede pa yun.
Pauwi.
Nakakain tayong dinner. Pauwi mo, magkakape ka na.
Kape-kape lang.
Uy, hindi ka ba magugutom pag uwi mo?
O, di ba? Package.
4 na beses ka kain.
Sige, pwede naman.
Kape-kape lang.
Hindi, yung gusto ko totoong kape ba mainit.
Hindi naman
may
tayo-
lagay ko sa tiyan ko hanggang sa pagtae ko may kape. Hindi lang.
Kaping-kape?
Yun ang maganda, sir.
I know maganda.
Ayam.
All maganda.
Yeah.
Ni no maganda.
Handsome in Tagalog, in Filipino
Yeah.
is
Pogi.
guwapo.
Wa-
Guwapo.
Guwapo. Guwapo.
Guwapo.
Oo.
Parang
Also use,
ah,
you can also use pogi so that it's easier.
Pogi.
Foggy.
Yeah.
Oo.
There you go.
Maganda? Pogi.
Oo. Nice to meet you, Pogi.
Pogi. Thank you. Parang gusto ko yung isa. Diyan ka na.
Ang ganda mo sa picture, pero ganyan ako. Oh. Ay, yung gata nila parang caramel. Bigla umas. Kung masyadong madami. Let's try it, madam. Tobla talap. Ang talap-talap. Patigyan mo ako, bigyan mo ako sa kutsara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Sama-sama. Sama-sama.
May ganitong vibe sa Siargao, yung pinagpa-party na.
Morning. Good morning, my love. Morning. Morning. Yeah, ang dami mong ano. Paano nila kinakain? Pagkain nila yan? Ang sarap. Wow, it's good.
That's good eh.
Sarap.
Parang siyang kayo ng corned beef. Naghiwalay na yung cake.
Inside, what's the available?
Inside we have like this one, sorry. This one.
Okay, the ulun danut, the ratan. And also, only that one?
Yeah, only that one.
Okay.
And for the ticket, you can buy it from there. The price is 75,000. Name of the temple is Ulundana.
Okay. Yun lang naman pupunta natin dito.
Ito the blooms.
Oo, ito lang pupunta natin. Hello! May mini tayo dun, oh. Handara Gate. Ay, ang ganda! Picture tayo dito, B! Eh, picture! Tara, picture!
Name is Mickey.
Oh, Mickey Mouse!
I keep it first on the shoulder here.
Open your hand. Sir, open your hand.
Mickey, wag mo kong kagat, Mickey. Mickey, don't hug me.
Bigyan mo. Kasi hindi
Banana Mickey.
Mickey, don't hug, Mickey.
Hindi ka natatakot, Baski?
Katakot, Mickey. Mickey. Don't eat big mana. Don't eat. Don't eat big mana.
Ayan na lang pet mo.
pet, di ba? Ay, talikod ka, be. Picture na natin. Yung takat na yan.
Love! Love! Hello, Mickey!
The special pool.
Ang haba ng tingin niya.
Oo nga
In
eh.
Bali we have a lot of garden.
Mabait siya, Bi.
There are many luwak.
Mabait nga.
Maybe for 1 year the season for the coffee.
Gigigil ka na naman. Ayan na si Mickey.
The coffee they eating maybe bird or squirrel. Yes. I can help you.
Pahingi pa kayo ah. Oh, ba't naka-girl scout siya?
Dito tayo dito. Yeah. Wow. Parang sama-sama tayo.
Yan, totoo.
Totoo yun. Dali.
Tama na, umaya tayo. Mamaya na.
Ayun siya, Bill. Ayun.
Peke!
Sumatran elephant, the second smallest elephant after pygmy elephant from Borneo Island. Big animals on your right side, they are banteng or bulls.
Bulls. Oh.
Some of them have been domesticated for farming and called Bali cattle or Bali cow. Here we have chital deers or white spotted deers.
Ano to,
They can be seen easily because they have white spot on their body to camouflage from their predators, and their main predators is Bengal tiger. So hippo is the third biggest mammals on the land and can weigh up to 3 tons, and they can eat up to. Lechwe is the one of fastest antelope in Africa and can run up to 80. Here we have female elephants. So elephant have gestation period around 22 months or almost 2 years for one baby elephant. They can spend up to 16 hours only for eating, and they can eat up to 200 kilograms of food daily. So that's why they can weigh up to 4 tons and they can reach up to 3 meters tall.
Kita dyan, dali.
To meet is animal kept as our
More chocolate, please. Okay. Thank you, my friend.
Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
Hangin nga. I do 20. That's 20,000. Yeah.
One or two?
What only, sir?
Ano yan, dry?
How much?
One packet, 30,000.
Alam ko lang, sir.
Ano one packet? What is one packet?
Wow, it's very nice here. Hello.
All food already.
So, where's the Bakit dito daw yung restaurant? Wow. Yes.
So you only go for restaurant.
Yeah, just for the restaurant.
You can't go to the pool.
Yeah. So here is our grilled pork. It's really good here. Emma. I don't like. Condition before the project. Talagang inirabi. Bakit?
Kasi hard to.
Isda ba to? Isda
Oo.
ba to?
Ito kasi daanan niya dati. Ito talaga daanan niya dati. Ngayon lumubog na lang. Saan? Mapasok naman talaga eh. Nagkakatubig nga rin to eh.
Pagka low tide.
Oo. Low tide. So, there's many people.
So, ibig sabihin, yung dagat, ganito pala kataas.
Yan, kaya nga taas pa.
Ganito kalalim.
Pag ano, pag low, high tide.
So, hindi siya pinapakano.
Oh, hindi siya pinapapuntahan pag, okay, okay.
Sila masusunog sila eh. Oo. Hindi yan yung kingdom ng Lengka.
You wanna buy something in Duty?
Yeah.
You can find inside.
Like pasalubong.
Bye. Terima kasih, Susma.
Bomba. It's okay. It's my tip.
Oh, really? Thank you very much.
Thank you so
You
much.
can send me all the video. Yeah?
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, Kuya. Bye, Kuya. We will miss you.
God bless you, man. Thank you very much. Yeah?
You enjoy your hotel also. Bye, Kuya.
Take care. Yeah?
Bye, my friend. Don't cry, my friend.